emergency medicine has an increasing important place worldwide. Its definition is refined, bringing together both extra and in-hospital emergencies. This medical activity is being reinforced by gradually becoming a primary specialty in the various European countries and more recently, for instance, in France or Denmark. More and more young doctors want to evolve this new specialty, which is a very good thing. Are you a resident, a fellow, a physician working in the emergency context? Are you a nurse, a paramedic, or are you an industrial partner interested in the world of emergency? So welcome to you, because the following will really interest you. My name is Plaisance. I am professor in emergency medicine, head of emergency department and pre-hospital EMS at Lariboisière Hospital in Paris, France. I am now chairing the organization of the European Society for Emergency Medicine Congress. For 12 years now, we have organized an annual congress gathering around 50 countries, well beyond Europe, with more than 2,000 delegates and 200 speakers. It is the European Emergency Medicine Congress. Last year we were in Athens. This year we'll be in Glasgow from September 8 to September 12. The scientific program is just fantastic. Just have a look here. In addition, there will be a track specifically dedicated to nurses and paramedics, since EUSEM, the European Society for Emergency Nurses, is an integral part of the Congress. Our program is also punctuated by talks from world-renowned physicians. This year we'll have Stephen Ernst, Mary Daywood, Frank Peacock, Neil Spensley, Horst Thiemann, Christian Muggenson as hot topic speakers, and also Garrett Clegg and Terry Reynolds, David Carr, every morning at 8:30 as keynote speakers. A key element of our Congress is the simulation competition, the EUSEM Cup, which gathers between 10 to 15 national teams who challenge face-to-face on high-fidelity scenarios concerning pre-hospital and in-hospital cases during at least one day. So if you have a team with a doctor, a resident, a nurse, or paramedics, do not hesitate to register. You're gonna have fun. So for everyone, we look forward to seeing you in Glasgow from September 8th. Just to remind you that there will be a super award closing ceremony at the last day on Wednesday at 12:30 p.m. for just half an hour, with award ceremony for the best 3 highlight poster for the team winner of the EUSEM Cup, the audience award, the Young Emergency Medical Doctors Best Communication Award, and some other surprises. So take your flights or train tickets back home on Wednesday afternoon and not before. Do not miss this great scientific event, and see you in Glasgow in September. Thank you.